So this is about ML100 smart lock. So this is the front face, this is the back face. So just open this battery panel, which is like 4 alkali batteries. Before doing any operation, it is recommended to reset the device. So long press this reset button. It will be asking for always star is to go back and hash is to confirm. So reset has been done. So in order to wake up the device, it is since it's a feather touch, use this menu. Star hash is the menu. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the default administrator password. So we'll add one administrator. 1 2 3 7 8 9. So administrator has been created. So we'll add one normal user. So we'll use the card, which is IC card. So we'll try with the fingerprint now. So I've enrolled all the 3 verifications. So start to come back. So for wireless configuration, we'll press 4. So we'll go for password configure. So the device is blinking, which means ready to pair up. So now we'll go to the mobile app. Z Smart is the official mobile application. So you need to create the login here. I've created. So add device. So just go to smart locks. Select the ML100. So press on next. Device is blinking. Yes, it is rapidly blinking. So always remember the Wi-Fi need to be 2.4 gigahertz. So smart lock, it is getting paired. We'll wait for a moment. So successfully added. So I'll rename this lock. So done. So this is how the interface looks. So we'll come to the lock now. So imagine there is some guest coming to the room, home, so where you will be not available. So just ask them to wake up the device. So you will get a notification from the mobile. So you'll be getting a call like this. So if you accept, the door is unlocked. So same way we'll try again. So you'll be getting a call in the instantly. This time I'll reject. So it is ignored. So instead we'll give one temporary password for the mobile for the guest, which is like time password. Add. So you can set the time validity limit as well, expiry date. So I'll be giving tomorrow. So should it repeat or one time is? So I'll create save. So it's getting synchronized. So we'll test that same password over the lock. So the password is 1234567 hash.
Operation failed.
So it is not yet synced. Yeah, in use. So this is due to network. There is a lag.
Please input administrator.
1234567.
Lock inside.
It is working. So this is how the UI looks like, the mobile application. You can find this on Play Store. So this is official mobile application for the ZKTeco smart locks. So since this lock supports NFC, we'll test with NFC as well. So this is NFC.
Operation failed.
So the card is getting recognized.
Operation failed. Operation failed.
So same card will enroll.